Del back again for part 6 and hopefully the final part. So she's all together now. Let's see if we can get back and a bit better view. So yep, she's all here, all in. As you can see, I've added the DSD button box. What I've actually done is just put a couple of pieces of, I think it's what, 40 by 40 or 20 by 20, I'd say. Just across and one down, bolted them. And then the armature is actually the armature from the shifter mount. So when I got my shifter mount, I got 2 of these armatures, one there, sorry, 4 of them. So 1, 2, and then 2 that held on the shifter, but I don't have the shifter anymore. So this, so these armatures are actually just from the shifter mount, and then onto the button box. And the button box is sitting there now. And as you can see, everything's in place. So pretty happy now to get started and start playing with some of the settings. It's my little cup holder and headset holder. And if you're in the market for some gloves, just out of interest, see these little guys? So I've gone and spent a fortune on things like the Sparco Hypersim gloves, which were like $80, and they fell apart in 6 months. So I picked up these from Supercheap Auto. They were $25, but the beauty of them is all the fingertips are touchscreen sensitive. So if you're using a tablet, it works through them. So the brand of them, what's it called? I can't quite see the name. But yeah, it's just got a big letter R with a sort of a Nike symbol there. So if you go to Supercheap Auto, you can see it's got the little symbol for, so it can use it with a touch screen. These are fantastic, really comfortable, really solid, and so far I've had them for quite a few months and they haven't worn at all. So I've been through a few pairs trying to find the right pair, but yeah, they were 25 bucks from Supercheap Auto. So great gloves. Other than that, everything's done. We'll have a little bit of a wander around the room. As you can see, build a lot of model cars. Spartan helmet, funny that. So a few more cars over here. So that's the other hobby. So anyway, I'm pretty happy with this. And yeah, really looking forward to getting into it and learning all about this SimCube or SimiCube and getting an understanding for it. But again, this is it. That's the final build. I'll have a video up of my settings for ACC with the SimiCube, and I'll also have another video coming, like I mentioned before, for the mounts for the Next Level Motion down in underneath. Anyway, again, thank you everyone for following along with this. If you can, please subscribe. I think I've only got like a 20% retention rate on subscribers. I'd really appreciate it. The subscriptions really help. And thank you again for following along with this. See ya.